Well, hello there. Welcome to my new YouTube video series, Motivation and Relaxation, called Learning to Breathe Again. My name is Jay, and welcome to this series, a space that's created just for you. This place is a good place to slow down, breathe, reconnect with the part of yourself that life often asks you to ignore. Every day we get pulled away thousands of directions, expectations, responsibilities, noise, stress, all competing for our attention. And somewhere in the middle of all that, we forget just how to be us, to rest, to feel calm, to cope. This series is about rediscovering that calmness, not by escaping life, but by learning how to move through it with more softness and more awareness. In each episode going forward, we'll explore simple ways to relax your mind and steady your emotions, techniques you can use anytime throughout life. We'll be talking about grounding, gentle reflections, mindful breathing, and the art of giving yourself permission to slow down. Today, let's start with something incredibly simple, but incredibly powerful. Your breath. Take a moment with me. Allow shoulders to loosen just a little. Let your jaw unclench. And inhale deeply, slowly, letting the air fill your chest. Then exhale, letting everything soften. Again, inhale, exhale. Let the world grow a little quieter with each breath. You don't have to fix everything today. You don't have to have all the answers. Right now, it's enough to simply be here. Listening, breathing, giving yourself this moment. As we continue this series in future episodes, remember, calmness isn't a destination. It's a practice, a skill, a gentle choice you make again and again, even on the hard days. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me. Thank you for choosing this moment of peace. Let's take this journey into calmness together.